Hello and welcome to E-MultiSkills video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to check the server status using MySQL workbench. So in this demo, what we are going to do is we are going to check the server status of one of the MySQL server which is installed on Oracle Enterprise Linux 6.5. So if we try to check the status using command line, so you can see I am already logged into one of the Linux box whose IP is 192.168.1.51. To check the status, we can simply fire this command service mysql d status. So this will show you the status of the MySQL server. And furthermore, when you see that server is up and running, you can see the mysql d PID 2327 is running. We can try to log into the database just to see if everything is we are able to log into the database or not. So we are able to log into the database. So this confirms that database server is up and running. The same thing can be done using the MySQL workbench, which is a GUI tool. So this is the GUI tool, and this is the default screen which comes up. So I'm trying to log into one of the MySQL server which is on Linux. IP is 192.168.1.51, and the privileged user who is able to connect to this server is MySQL backup 51. And let's click this one. The connection is already created, and we will see how to check the server status. So you can see file, edit, view, query, database, server, tools, scripting. So what you have to do to check the server status, just go to server and say server status. Just click server status, and this will show you the connection name, and there are other details: host where this database is running, socket, when the connection has to come to the database, it creates this file which is mysqld.sock sock, which is actually the socket file. Port is 3306. You can see the version here also 8.019. This is for which version of Linux. It is 64-bit. Configuration file it is not able to show, and this running since it is showing you the date and the time. Just say refresh in case. Let us quickly shut down the server. So I'll just say my service mysql d stop. So this will stop the mysql d daemon, which is the server. So stopping mysql d. Let's refresh the screen once again. If you check on the right side, it is showing the server status as stopped, and there are a lot of other things, CPU load, connections we will discuss. But how to check the server status, you can see the status over here. It is in red sign, and it is displaying the status as a stop. Let's start it and see. And within a couple of seconds you will see the server is up and running. So starting mysql d, everything is okay. Just go to this one, the MySQL workbench, refresh the connection, and then you can see the server status is running. And we are discussing about the first portion. Let's scroll it further down. You can see the available server features. Performance schema is on, thread pool, SSL availability. You can see the base directory is /user, data directory is mysql/data, plugin directory is available. So rest of the things are also available. Where is the temp directory? Error log is in this location, var log mysqld.log, general log which is enabled. Slow query log is also available, and it's showing the complete location. So it shows you lots of important information. The replication status, there is no replication slave, so it is not displaying that. SSL configuration, it is displaying that as well. So in server connection status, in server status, it is showing everything about the server, not just the database server up and down status, but it shows you the CPU load, connection, how many connections are there, traffic, and how many selects are happening, InnoDB buffer usage, InnoDB read per seconds, and overall it shows you lots of information. To dig down furthermore, you can see some other reports as well, which are good, like dashboard and the performance reports. So as compared to the command line prompt, which just shows the status, whether it is up or down, whether it is running or in the stopped status, your MySQL workbench displays a lot of things. So you can see it on the main screen. I hope this is going to help, and thanks for watching.